जाणट्यांक सतावी प्रस्न सुटावे करपा खातीर म्हापशेच्या उपजिल्लो पुलीस अधिकारी कार्यालयान अभिनव उपक्रम हातात घेतला। जाणट्यांच्यो अडचणी सोडोवपा खातीर पुलीसय आतां मजत करतले। देखून जाणट्यांचे मजती खातीर वेगवेगळ्यो पुलीस हेल्पलायनी जाहीर केल्यात।
म्हापशेचो एसडीपीओ जिवबा दळवीच्या फुडारपणा खाला जाणट्या लोकां खातीर म्हापशा एसडीपीओच्या कार्यालयात सिनियर सिटीजन आउटरीच कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडली। उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक सोबीत सक्सेनाचे हस्तुकी जाणट्या खातीर आगळ्या वेगळ्या उपक्रमांचे उक्तावण जालें। एकटेच घरा रावपी जाणट्यांक जायते अडचणींक तोंड दिवचें पडटा। तांच्यो अडचणी पयस करपाक पुलीस उप अधीक्षका सावन ते बीट पुलीस अधिकाऱ्या मेरेन फोन नंबर तांकां दिल्यात। बरेच जाणटे हे कार्यावळीक हजर आसले। तांणी आपले गारणे मांडले। पळयात।
यहाँ लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे भी हमने देखा था कि सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं बहुत सारे जो रहते हैं और उनकी फैमिलीज, कई लोग की वो अपने फैमिलीज से अलग रहते हैं, कुछ लोगों की फैमिलीज बाहर हैं। तो इसलिए ये इनिशिएटिव हमें हमेशा से वी वांटेड एन इनिशिएटिव लाइक दिस एंड आई होप कि माय ओनली होप इज दैट सीनियर सिटीजन्स गेन फ्रॉम दिस इनिशिएटिव। बहुत छोटा एक इनिशिएटिव है, वो ये है कि we have just made some cards and these cards have the phone numbers of officers who are in your area। तो जो आपका एरिया है, मान लीजिए आप गंगानगर में रहते हैं या आप शिवोली में रहते हैं या आप करासवाड़ा में रहते हैं और आपको पुलिस से कांटेक्ट करना है, तो 100 और 112 तो है ही, उस पर आप फोन कभी भी कर सकते हैं। इन केस आप वहाँ पे नहीं फोन करते हैं तो आप कहाँ फोन करेंगे, तो आप अपने पीआई को भी फोन कर सकते हैं, एसडीपीओ को फोन कर सकते हैं, मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है वो ये है कि आपके बीट ऑफिसर्स हैं, जो पुलिस स्टेशन है उसमें अलग अलग बीट्स हैं, देयर आर डिफरेंट बीट्स इन एवरी पुलिस स्टेशन। सो ईच बीट हैज पुलिस ऑफिसर्स हु आर देयर फॉर योर सर्विस।
मोबाइल नंबर, नेशनल इमरजेंसी नंबर, police, fire, senior citizen helpline number, that is 1090. It is having electricity department number also, because most of the senior citizens cannot go and then online payment everything. If you phone on this number, it will be good assistance for all the senior citizens. There is ambulance service numbers also. PI from PI Parej from Apsa police station, PI Tolwai Shri Maji, and PI Anjuna Mr. Prashant Desai, his number also available here. Police station number is also available here. And plus backside all the PSIs of that police station, the number is also available there. And plus we'll have a beat staff number with mobile number. Suppose you are staying in Giri, so whom I should contact first? That is Mr. Devesh Gotekar. He should be contacted. So this is initiative taken so that your daily life will become very smooth.
My suggestion would be a coordination between the police and the senior citizens plus the other health department and the other department, because there is lack of coordination between them, and that's how the senior citizens suffer. We've got a beat police from Aldana police station. His name is Rama and Ramalad, and he's been very, very active, and we have gone visiting all the senior citizens, and especially those who are staying alone in the houses. Till now it has been now because of COVID, but we have covered the whole village and we've got a record.
खाने पीने के लिए भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, उनके ओन कपड़े जो रिश्तेदार ला के देते हैं उन्हें, वो तक उनसे लिया जाता है। और अभी मेरे को परसों ही फ़ोन आया था वापस वहाँ से, एक जो एडमिट है उधर, उनका आया था, बहुत रो रही थी। अगर आप चाहें तो मैं सुना सकती हूँ आपको, मेरे पास में रिकॉर्डिंग है। तो वो बहुत तकलीफ में है वो लोग। प्लीज़ ये एक्चुअली मैं आपको प्राइवेटली बता सकती हूँ। आई बीन देयर, ओके। सो प्लीज आप लोग कुछ कर सके तो।
This road has been very much full of garbage, and in the evenings there are lots of boys and girls coming there, and they are drinking, and all the beer bottles and all this alcoholic, everything is on the road. It's messed up. We were not here, but now we have come here tired, and we have climbed this place, and we have even put cameras on the road. Now we want your kind attention to please patrol these areas every time. because there are lots of migrants there living. Our house was robbed also in 2019. We had even complained to the police station, but no action had been taken. And we have got a very heavy loss in that house. So please, we want as senior citizens, we would like you all to help us because your help is much needed for us at this age.
Now I live in Moira. Now in Moira there are people who keep tenants or people to stay. They don't even register them. They don't even care. I would ask you personally to implement that. Ask your police station in Albana to implement this because these people, we don't know who they are. They can attack us, not only us, our children, grandchildren. This can happen to anybody because these people are from outside. Some of them are from Bihar and Madhya Pradesh and all that stuff coming in, Bengal and all. So please ask your people to force them to register. I know of a lot of people who have not registered there and they don't care. The owners themselves don't want to register. And they don't want to register with the panchayat also because they have to give them 1 month's money rent. So please do that, sir. I would be very happy if you do that.
गोवा 365 खातीर म्हापशेच्यान संदीप कामुल